Sometimes the fundamentals of a field are so basic that they feel almost gate-kept. Like people have trouble articulating them because everybody's working on shared assumptions. This is that book for mechanical design. If you're interested in making a good mechanical design, I highly recommend it. For example, it starts with the idea of functional independence. So in a ball head tripod, when you unlock it, you're also moving the camera every time. Moving and locking are combined functions. But you can also separate those functions and get a different degree of control. It talks about the basics of constraint and kinematics, how to use tension and compression to your advantage in stiffening things. And then it has this section which for me was a revelation, which is the concept of self-helping mechanisms. For example, the harder you pull, the tighter it grips. And it turns out that self-helping mechanisms are everywhere, and they're parts of some of the most robust and interesting elements of design. You'll learn later about Hertzian contact stresses and how they play into my work. The book ends with practical examples of how to make things easy to assemble, how to progressively reinforce things and make them smarter and better product ideas, and then it ends with some practical advice. And you guys know I love lists of practical advice because that stuff is just left out of mathematical treatments of a field. Highly recommend this book.